Hello everyone, Uncle Frank here again, bringing you one of my favorite characters from the land down under. This is such a sensitive cartoon that it quickly became one of my kids' favorites. So for drawing Bluey, we're gonna start with a rectangle, like so, and then we have to find the eye line. Okay, for the ears we're just gonna make two triangles. Here's the mouth, and for the eyes we're just gonna have two ovals. Big ones, just trying to find the right angle, the right place. Okay. Then I place two smaller triangles inside the ears. Very soft eyebrows. The legs are going to be done in a very simple way, just two rectangles. And here I'm just marking the ground line. Okay, after everything is done, I just have to mark the lines around her body. So this time I'm gonna use the 1.0 marker, which is reasonably thin. And I believe it's gonna match this cartoon style. I had to be careful not to cover all the lines because some of them were going to be in a different color. Here I erase all the lines I don't want, and I'm gonna leave a few of them just to know where there's gonna be a change of color. here she is, ready to play all day. So if you like them, and if you'd like to have fun and learn how to draw your favorite cartoon characters, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your participation is very important and it helps us make new and better videos every day. Hope to have you guys with me next time. Bye bye!